Meaning of hottie.
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 Hottie. Hottie is a slang term used to describe someone who is physically attractive or sexually appealing. It is often applied to individuals who are considered highly desirable or good-looking, particularly in a romantic or sexual context. The term can be used to describe both men and women, and may be considered complimentary or objectifying depending on the context and tone in which it is used. Some people may find the term offensive or disrespectful, particularly if it is used in a demeaning or derogatory way.